Today I'll show you how to use Canva AI to create anything. Today, we're testing Canva AI to explore its creative capabilities. First, open Canva and navigate to the Canva AI feature. Once there, let's try generating an ebook design. Our project is a children's ebook featuring stories about a dragon, a warrior, and a princess. Enter your desired theme and book title into Canva AI's prompt box. Next, specify that the target audience is kids. Canva AI will then generate a custom ebook design based on your requirements. Now that the process has started, the AI is actively analyzing the data. You can see it thinking and mapping out the solution on its own. This automated system uses advanced algorithms to interpret the information and generate accurate, real-time results efficiently and independently. Finalizing the design may take some time as the system processes your changes. Be patient while it works through the adjustments. Once complete, review the updated design to ensure everything looks correct before proceeding to the next step or making further edits as needed. Explore what Canva lets you do with AI. Magic Layers is one feature, and I cover it in another video. Canva also offers AI-powered elements, combining data and code to enhance your design capabilities with intelligent tools. Go back to the main page to view your created items. You'll see 4 ebook covers already available. Browse through the options and select the cover you prefer by clicking on it. For this example, I'm choosing this one because I like the design and style. Select the second option, then create several sample pages to test the process. Continue adding pages until you reach the final one. On the last page, check if everything functions correctly by walking through each step to ensure the system works as intended. Canva is currently generating the designs automatically. This feature is incredibly useful because, without it, you would have to create each design manually, taking much more time and effort. Now, Canva handles the entire process on its own. This automation makes designing much easier and more efficient, showcasing a valuable new capability Canva has introduced. Click on the Thank You button to acknowledge receipt or completion of a message or task. This action sends a quick confirmation to the sender, letting them know their message has been received and appreciated. You'll see a pop-up confirming your acknowledgement. The sender will be notified instantly. Use this feature to streamline communication and reduce unnecessary replies. To customize your acknowledgement, click the drop-down arrow next to Thank You and select from the available options for tailored responses. The sample interior pages have been created. While some of the middle pages may not be ideal, a few are usable, especially this one, which works well as a center page. The end pages look good and can also be included. Although I'm not completely satisfied with every page, the best option is to select the most suitable pages from these samples. You can then use the Canva editor to arrange, customize, or improve your selection. This approach gives you greater control over the final layout and overall book design. You've learned how to create anything with Canva AI. Drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.